how to buy Ethereum based coins on Trust Wallet. So not only Ethereum based, but you can actually buy any sort of cryptocurrency or coins on Trust Wallet. So it does not only limit to Ethereum, but regardless of that, if you want to do it, you can simply open up the Trust Wallet application and simply go ahead and then basically log into your account. Then once you log into your account, this is the kind of interface you will see. Now over here, what you have to do is right over here you will see all these sorts of options, right? So in the search bar at the very top, you simply want to go ahead and then type in Ethereum. Now there will be various sorts of Ethereum. So first is the mini Ethereum ETH, which stands for ETH or Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Name Service, Ethereum Token. You have to type in Ethereum and you'll see any sort of cryptocurrency related to that particular Ethereum. Depending upon which one you want to purchase, you can simply select that, tap on the buy option, select the amount, and then basically enter your payment and then buy it. So this way you'll be able to buy Ethereum based coins on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.